Routine maintenance of your heating and cooling units can save you time, money, and effort. And it can extend the life of your unit, improve your overall comfort, and make it more efficient. In this video, we'll discuss these topics and more. Hi, I'm Roger from Fire and Ice. As a residential sales professional, I've helped thousands of Central Ohio homeowners get the most out of their HVAC system. At Fire and Ice, we believe in giving our customers as much information as they need. In this video, we're going to review why routine maintenance is important for your heating and cooling units. And if you find today's content helpful, subscribe to our channel for weekly educational content. One of the most important reasons to have your HVAC system serviced twice a year, once for the heating season and once for the cooling season, is that it helps your HVAC system stay under warranty. But it also has several other benefits. It will save time, money, and effort. One of the worst things that can happen is your home comfort system breaking down when you least expect it. Annual preventative maintenance can prevent this by catching potential problems before they become detrimental to your system. When a technician catches the issue before your unit breaks down, it saves time, money, and effort. As a rule of thumb, a cleaner HVAC system will last longer. You can think of this like changing the oil in your car. Every 5,000 miles or so, your car needs an oil change. If not, your car will break down. The same goes for your HVAC system. If you don't invest in proper maintenance, you risk it breaking down, which will shorten the lifespan. Before we move on, if you're enjoying this video so far, please like this video and leave a comment. We'd love to hear what you have to say and answer any questions you might have. And did you know we have even more resources on our website? Click the link here to visit our Learning Center for more in-depth information, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content. A dirty air filter is one of the most common issues affecting indoor air quality and comfort within a home. Regardless of the type of air filter your HVAC system takes, you should check or replace your air filter every 30 to 60 days. Not only will clogged air filters severely reduce your home's indoor air quality, but they will also make your system work harder. This in turn shortens the life expectancy of your system. I hope by now you have a better understanding of why routine maintenance of your HVAC system is so important. If you'd like more information on HVAC systems, click the link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, feel free to give us a like and be sure to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to making your day better.